Hey, so the idea here for the day 3 of the multiplying with whole numbers is let's give you the stuff you're really going to need. The stuff that you're going to have to use. Because like we said, the calculator is going to be in play moving forward. The calculator gets used more and more. And when you're in high school, you're never going to be asked to do 356 times 282. You're going to reach for your calculator. You're going to slam that in because then you're going to use it. So again, if we understand the basics here, this is really what you need moving forward in math. So don't get frustrated with those large problems. It's just not something that we do. So let's do it. 5 questions here today, and we're done. So question number 1. Let's take 328 and let's multiply it times 6. So again, pause that video, see if you can knock it out. If you get stuck along the way, just start hitting play, and then you can pause me again if that's sake, but work at your pace here. So 6 times 8, 48. So did you put down the 8? Did you carry the 4? 6 times 2, 12, plus 4, 16. Did you put down your 6 and carry the 1? Lastly, 6 times 3, 18. Plus that 1, 19. Did you get 1,968? All right. Question number 2. Sometimes we run into 2 digits, and sometimes we have to do something like 37, all right, times 12. All right, this is definitely a 2 by 2, definitely. Once we start getting into 3 by 2s, like I said, it's good to know the technique, but you just reach for that calculator. Go ahead and pause it, and let's come back and see how it went. So, did you say that 2 times 7 is 14? Did you put down the 4 and carry a 1? 2 times 3, 6. Plus the 1, 7. Check your first line. Did you have a 74? Did you get that 0 down for that placeholder? Remember, we are working with that 1 that's in the tens position. So when we start the multiplication, 1 times 7, 7. We are in that tens position. 1 times 3, we are at a 3. And now we're just looking to add things up. So did you say that 4 plus 0 is 0? Did you say that 4 plus 0 is 4? Did you say that 7 plus 7 is 14? Did you put down that 4? Did you carry that 1? And 1 plus 3 is your 4. There we go. 4s are wild. 444. Again, if the terminology is off as to why we're saying, did you put down the 4, carry the 1, go back, look at those previous videos that talk about what you did in elementary school. Again, elementary was about showing you why it works. But again, algorithm, that's the efficient technique here. Let's go to question number 3. Go ahead and try 328 times 9. I know, I gave you a 9, that's there. Let's see what you can do with it. Alright, so let's check. Did you say that 9 times 8 is 72? So did you put down the 2? And did you carry the 7? Did you say that 9 times 2 is 18? And then 18 plus 7. My goodness, people, don't worry about it. Use your fingers. Use your fingers. Now, the thing, though, is use your fingers to get to that 20. So I've got the 18. So there's my 1920. All right. And I need 5 more. Because I had 7. I've used 2 of them up. So I've got 5 more to get to your 25. And again, so put down your 5, carry your 2. But again, if you had to go back and do 9 times 18, and then, you started, so 18, 1920, 21, 22, 23, 24, people, an extra 5 seconds, not going to make things matter. Use your fingers there. Use them. It's a visual here. And let's finish it off. 9 times 3 is 27, plus your 2, 29. There we go. 2,952. All right, just 2 more here. And that's going to put you in a very strong position regarding multiplying with your whole numbers. So we're going to make that question number 4. There we go. Let's try 48 times 34. Go ahead, see what you can do. Let's check. 4 times 8, 32. Did you put down the 2? Did you carry the 3? 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 3, again, 17, 18, 19. Hey, that's fine. 192 is our first line. Did you start the next row with your 0? All right. 3 times 8, 24. 4. So did you put down the 4, carry your 2. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1,440 for that next row. Did you add them on up? Did you get a 2? Did you get a 13 and carry your 1? Did you say 4, 5, 6? And 1 plus nothing is still a 1. So did you say 1,632? All right, let's look at just one more that we're after here for today. Let's go after the number 85, and let's multiply that times 37. Go ahead, see what you get. All right, did you say 7 times 5 is 35? Did you put down the 5 and carry your 3? 7 times 8, 56. Add 3 more on, we're at 59. Did you start with that placeholder? Because we're in the second row. Did you use your 3 now? So 3 times 5, 15, carry your 1. 3 times 8, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Before I add them all up here, you can see I used the 3. You just have to kind of keep track of what you've used. So that's why talking to yourself, much like I'm talking to you, is what you should be doing as you're solving these problems. It'll keep you writing at the same time as your brain's processing it. It'll cut down some of those, what we call silly mistakes. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 5. So again, if you can say your 14 right away, great. Otherwise, you're using 1 to get to your 10, and then you've got 4 more that are left. There's your 14. I like to add the 5 and 5 here together because that's those friends with 10. It gets me right to 10. 1 more makes an 11. I could have gone right down the line too, but hey, it's still going to get me the same answer, where I'm going to carry that 1. And there we go, 3,145. And that's what we're after here. All right, well done here today. I'll see you guys later.